gonna use tools. I got a new tile floor here that I got a grout, so let's get to it. Removing these clips is super easy. All you gotta do is take your hammer, being super careful not to chip the tiles. Don't even touch the tiles with the hammer. And just give it a tap from the side like that. Not this way, not that way. Just hit that clip right on the side. And just snaps right off like that. Super easy. Sometimes these clips don't break off cleanly like this little guy, and they got the tabs left over. So if that happens, just take your utility knife and cut that thing off. Just like that. Just make sure that the crack here is completely recessed. There's no more plastic left over. Now I can go around and scrape all the excess mortar out from the cracks here. You gotta have these super clean in order to get a good grout job. Just careful not to chip the tiles, because that could happen. Alright, floor's clean, so let's start getting some putting in the cracks. I don't like to work myself in the corner. I'm starting at one end of the room and going to the next. And when you're doing stairs like this, don't put the grout on the very bottom seam or under the lip there, because as the floor flexes when people are walking on there, it's just going to crack that grout out of there. Instead, use color match caulking. That's going to work the best because it's going to flex when people are stepping on the steps. Around the step to the tub here, we didn't grout because this step is going to flex when people walk on it, and that means that any grout that's in the corners or against the tub is going to crack and flake off. And also around the tub here, we want it to be kind of waterproof. Grout will allow water to seep through, whereas caulking will not. So I'm going to put a bead of caulking against the tub and in the corners between the step and the floor and the step in the wall. Thanks for watching this episode of Used Tools. If you're interested in grouting or tiling or any other construction work, check out my other videos. Got any questions, leave them below, and I'll check you next time. Cheers.